So today I'm going to be reviewing the Swiffer. So today I wanted to talk about the Swiffer. So the Swiffer is something that I purchased at Lowe's when I was there a few days ago. I've never had one of these before. This is something that you can use for like ceiling fans and lights and anything really high. It extends up to 6 feet. So I don't know if you guys can see the back of this right here. So it extends up to 6 feet, and I'm really excited about this because I have a lot of areas in the house that are pretty high up that I can't reach, that I really would have to get on a ladder in order to reach them. So let's go ahead and open it up. La 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 la. Again, I always have trouble opening anything that I get. So it looks like it comes with a refill, which is pretty cool. So this is it right here. Fluff it up a little bit. I did buy a box of refills as well. Now here it is right here. So it looks like it extends pretty far. I'm going to end up going out on my screen here. It does extend. The pole does extend, as you can see. So it really goes out to about 6 feet, which is pretty cool. So I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try it in the living room, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about this. So there you have it, you guys. It looks like it did a fantastic job. I'm usually having to go around with Pledge or something, but this did a really good job at dusting, and it makes things a lot easier because, as you can see, I have very high areas in the home that I just can't reach without being on a ladder. So it's great for dusting around like my video game system, my television, and even the little nookies inside of the living room. And I can't wait to keep using it. This saves me a lot of hassle of dragging out a ladder, and this way I can get the job done in half the time. So I did take it outside and kind of shake it and clean it a little bit. I think it's really great, and especially if you want to do a quick dusting job around the house. So I'm going to put a link under the video for you guys to check this out. And other than that, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.